Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and tool lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips, tricks, and tools to fuel your creativity. Today, we're diving into the 5 best budget drill sets that are perfect for your next project without breaking the bank. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Yofidra 2-in-1 Electric Screwdriver Drill Hammer. The Yofidra 2-in-1 Electric Screwdriver Drill Hammer, the ultimate tool for your DIY and home improvement projects. Engineered with premium quality plastics and a sleek, ergonomic anti-slip handle, this tool is as comfortable to use as it is efficient. Its design prioritizes ease of use, ensuring a snug fit in your hand for precision and control. Built with full metal, high-carbon steel bearings, the Yofidra delivers unmatched accuracy and stability. Every task becomes seamless with this powerhouse of precision. At the heart of this device is its brushless motor. This technology ensures rapid starts, smooth operation, and exceptional circuit control, giving you peak performance with every use. With 21 adjustable torque gears and a self-locking collet, this drill offers unparalleled versatility. From delicate assembly work to heavy-duty tasks, the Yofidra is ready for anything. Switch easily between 2 speed regulation modes. Choose between precise speed control or stepless adjustment to match the requirements of your project. Safety is paramount. The built-in safety lock stops the drill completely before switching modes, while the forward, reverse, and lock options put you in full control. A built-in LED light brightens dark spaces, and power indicator lights keep you informed when it's time to recharge. Designed for endurance, the Yofidra features multiple ventilation cooling holes to prevent overheating. Plus, with 2 integrated bit slots, you'll always have the right tools within reach. This isn't just a screwdriver, it's a versatile multi-tool. Drill through wood, metal, stone, and even concrete with ease. Perfect for furniture assembly, DIY woodworking, or general home projects, the Yofidra 2-in-1 Electric Screwdriver Drill Hammer is your reliable companion for every task. Number 4. DayPlus Cordless Drill Set. The cordless drill set is the ultimate tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This versatile cordless drill is packed with features to make every project a breeze. Let's dive into what makes it a must-have in your toolbox. With its 3x8-inch keyless chuck, the DayPlus cordless drill offers quick accessory changes, no extra tools needed. The forward and reverse control lets you seamlessly switch between drilling and screw removal for maximum efficiency. Equipped with a 2-gear speed system ranging from 0 to 400 RPM to 0 to 14 RPM, you have precise control for any task, whether it's delicate screw driving or high-speed drilling. This drill isn't just powerful, it's adaptable. With 25+1 torque settings and a maximum torque of 45 Nm, you can create perfect holes in materials like wood, metal, and ceramic without worry. Working in a tight or dark space? The built-in LED light ensures you have a clear view of your work area, every single time. The lightweight ergonomic design and anti-slip rubber handle give you a comfortable grip, ensuring safety and stability for long work sessions. The DayPlus cordless drill set includes 26 driver bits and a flexible shaft for hard-to-reach spots, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced craftsmen. Plus, the sturdy case keeps everything organized for easy access. Powered by a 21-volt Li-ion battery, this drill offers continuous, reliable power. Tested thousands of times, you can count on its long battery life for even the most demanding tasks. Ready to tackle your next project with ease? The DayPlus cordless drill set is your ultimate partner in crafting, building, and creating. Get yours today and start drilling smarter, not harder. Number 3. Dewalt DCF 680 Foldable Electric Screwdriver. Looking for precision, speed, and control in your DIY projects or professional tasks? Say hello to the Dewalt DCF 680 Foldable Electric Screwdriver, a tool that's compact, powerful, and built to perform. This innovative screwdriver is designed with your needs in mind. It features a 7.2-volt gyroscopic motion-activated motor that offers variable speed control up to 430 RPM. Fasten into wood, plastic, and even light-gauge metal with ease and precision. With motion activation, just a twist of the wrist gives you complete control. Reverse or tighten screws effortlessly, it's intuitive and fast. The adjustable 2-position handle is a game changer. Need inline for tight spaces? Or pistol grip for added control? The choice is yours. The built-in LED light ensures you can work in confined spaces without shadows, making precision a breeze even in tricky areas. Changing bits is effortless with the 1x4-inch hex chuck. It securely holds 1-inch bit tips for fast, seamless transitions. Stay ahead of your tasks with the battery charge status indicator, so you'll always know when it's time to recharge. The 7.2-volt lithium battery pack provides extended runtime, and with the included 220-volt charger, you're back in action in just an hour. The Dewalt DCF 680 foldable electric screwdriver isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for every professional and DIY enthusiast. Get yours today and experience the difference in precision, speed, and control. Number 2. Craftsman Cordless Drill Kit. This cordless drill isn't just a tool, it's your trusty partner for every project. Whether you're hanging shelves, building furniture, or tackling repairs, the Craftsman is here to make your life easier. First up, let's talk about performance. The Craftsman cordless driver boasts a high-performance motor that delivers an impressive 280 Watts. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or plastic, this tool has the power to handle it all. Plus, with a 2-speed gearbox offering speeds of 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 15 RPM, you can seamlessly switch between fastening and drilling tasks, speed when you need it, control when it counts. Now, let's talk about what makes this drill so user-friendly. Need to swap out bits? The 1x2-inch keyless chuck lets you make quick changes without breaking a sweat. Working in a dimly lit area? The built-in LED light ensures you never miss a detail. And get this, the included 20-volt max lithium battery delivers long-lasting performance, so you can power through tasks without interruptions. Plus, the fast charger gets you back to full power in just 60 minutes or less. But wait, there's more. The Craftsman cordless drill is compact, lightweight, and equipped with an ergonomic grip, making it super comfortable, even for those long DIY sessions. Whether it's hanging pictures, assembling furniture, or tackling small repairs, this drill is your go-to tool for everyday projects. And since it's compatible with the entire Craftsman V20 system, you can expand your collection without skipping a beat. Here's a quick rundown of the standout features. 280 Watts motor for robust performance. 2-speed gearbox for versatility in fastening and drilling. 1x2-inch keyless chuck for easy bit changes. Built-in LED light for improved visibility. 20-volt max lithium battery with fast charging capability. This drill has everything you need to get the job done efficiently and effortlessly. So, what are you waiting for? The Craftsman cordless drill kit is more than a tool, it's your partner for every project. Number 1. Bosch GSR 120Li cordless drill. The Bosch GSR 120Li cordless drill is your ultimate partner for every DIY and professional task. Whether you're tightening or loosening screws, the Bosch GSR 120Li's forward and reverse rotation feature makes it a breeze. Switch directions effortlessly for smooth, efficient performance every time. With 20 torque settings and a maximum torque of 30 Nm for hard tasks and 14 Nm for softer ones, this drill is engineered to protect your workpiece from over-tightening or damage. Working in a dimly lit space? No problem. The built-in LED illumination ensures you can see every detail, no matter where your project takes you. Switch between 2 mechanical speed settings to match your task. Use the first gear for controlled screw tightening at 0-400 RPM, and the second gear for efficient drilling at up to 15 RPM. Safety first. The Bosch GSR 120Li is equipped with ECP battery protection, safeguarding against overcharging, overheating, and more, giving you peace of mind with every use. Control at your fingertips. The stepless speed adjustment adapts to your pressure, while the emergency stop ensures safety in every situation. From precision screwing to powerful drilling, the dual-mode functionality makes the Bosch GSR 120Li your go-to tool for any task. Ergonomically designed with a rubber-coated handle, This drill ensures a comfortable grip during extended use. It handles tasks with ease from screws up to 8 mm to drilling into metal, tiles, and wood. Here's what makes the Bosch GSR 120Li stand out. Chuck clamping range of 1 to 10 mm. Maximum drilling diameter of 8 mm for metal and brick, and 20 mm for wood. Upgrade your toolkit with the Bosch GSR 120Li Cordless drill, the perfect blend of innovation, safety, and power. Get yours today and experience the Bosch difference. So there you have it, folks. The 5 best budget drill sets to help you tackle any project with ease. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy drilling!